The people that are involved in this are so caring and they are all willing to work together, and we have to work together. No single organization can solve the environmental crisis that we're in right now, so we need collaborations and partnerships to do it. Hi, my name is Scott Boswell. I'm the program manager for the Okanagan Collaborative Conservation Program. Our organization consists of about 40 organizations that include all levels of government, environmental NGOs, land trusts, and of course working with our partners in academia. The aim of the OCCP is to implement a biodiversity conservation strategy for the Okanagan region, where there's about 100 recommendations where we work with all levels of government, looking at ways to protect biodiversity through working with our partners through land use planning, stewardship, and actually looking for ways to fund conservation organizations and programs in each community. One of the big initiatives OCCP is working on is keeping nature connected. It's a large landscape level project. We're working in partnership with Okanagan Nation Alliance. The landscapes are, of course, being fragmented by forestry, agriculture, and urban development. And we were looking for ways to maintain that connectivity over the long term, because not only for species movement, because if the species become isolated over time, there's a great chance that they can become extinct in local areas. But also these ecosystems really support our communities through forestry, pollination for agriculture, and of course our recreation and just well-being for being out in nature. So there's lots of reasons that we need to protect these ecosystems. We are known to bring in partnerships. And of course, our biggest partner is the Okanagan Nation Alliance, because they have the knowledge and the leadership to do this conservation and actually restoration work. And so we're working with them very closely. To implement the biodiversity strategy, we need a lot of partnerships. That's why there is a program with 40 different partners. And so each partner has a role to play, and that could be in land use planning, could be in research, or it could be in stewardship, actually just working with landowners on the land. As a program manager for the OCCP, it's been the most rewarding work that I've ever done, because the people that are involved in this are so caring and they are all willing to work together, and we have to work together. No single organization can solve the environmental crisis that we're in right now, so we need collaborations and partnerships to do it. One of the great things that with our partnership with UBCO is that we are very dependent on young graduates to bring in the new knowledge to our organization. And that's certainly, we've been doing that over the last 2 years. We've been able to access grants to hire recent graduate students, and they've been great at helping us with project coordination and actually doing sort of large-scale research for each of our initiatives. The research that really could support this project ranges from a high-level climate change modeling, because we need to understand what's the impact of climate change going to be on the region and the species that can survive here over the long term. Also, a number of species are already moving north to climate change, and we need to maintain that connectivity so they can keep adapting to habitats. On a local level, we certainly need to look at populations and understand the movement of all these different animals, where they go, so we can actually plan better where hotspots are to protect those areas immediately before the connectivity is gone.